Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel XAT, turning problems into solutions. This is me Priyasha Das, and today we'll be doing DI Caselets. Good afternoon Setu, good afternoon Shan, good afternoon Amritesh. Welcome to the session. We'll get started quickly. So as you all have seen already in the Telegram group we discussed that we would be doing 3 caselets today, 15 questions total. So make sure that you people are fast enough to grasp it. Okay, see, it's not a difficult caselet for sure. Hi Ria, good afternoon. So definitely it's not a difficult question, but these DI caselets are really important because they involve quant in it. Hi Ankit, good afternoon. So Ankit is back here just to know why I asked him not to be the admin of the group, I think. Hi Jeez, good afternoon. Welcome to the session. So over here, we would be starting off with these questions, and we would definitely make it a point that we are understanding each step carefully. And while doing these questions at a time, you might feel that this is more of a linear equation type question than of a DI question, but this is how it is. Okay, DI caselets are a mixture of quant based DI questions which are fully involving the concepts of quant, and at the same time a little bit of LR kind of things also, like filling the matrix, filling the table, things like that. Okay, fine Ankit. Okay then, so let's get started. I'll be showing you the first caselet on your screen. Take not more than 4 minutes to solve that caselet, and if you are done, I think there will be the first question already with the caselet, so you can answer that as well. Okay, so right here on your screen you see the first set of informations, a very easy one to start with, but definitely involving a lot of mathematics, not just only percentages or ratio proportion, but good understanding of mathematics. So we will get started with the first question. Let me see how you people perform in the first session. Based on that, I will be improving or increasing the level of the questions in the coming sessions of DI caselets. Or if I feel you people are doing good enough, we can jump to a higher level directly in the second session. Okay, time starts now. 1:33. Start making this set out. This is not very difficult question. And do let me know if you get the answer. Three people are there. Anurag, Anil, and Anmol. Anurag, Anil, and Anmol. All A, all AN as well. See, these are some slight things which the examiner does just to irritate you. I mean, AN, all are AN. So you have to either write the full name or write the last letter, whatever. Last letters are also matching for two of them. These questions are based on the information given below. Anurag, Anil, and Anmol work together to paint Mr. Arun's house. Okay. Arun gave an amount of 13,500. Hi, Abhishek. Well, that's in option C, I guess. Good, Abhishek. You have done this question in 2.5 minutes. That's good. And Anu, good afternoon. Welcome to the session. Well, that's good to see. Setu has also come up with an answer. So these people are saying that 9,900 is the answer. Good. Ria also. Fine. So looks like we should start solving the question because you have already sorted out the things, right? Others might take a minute more, no problem. I'm just writing the data on the screen. Ankit also, very good. So this was the first question, bound to be easy, no doubt. Arun has given a total amount of 13,500 for the work. So it was decided that among themselves that Anurag would be getting one third more than Anil, and Anmol should get 8 by 15. So Anmol's amount is fixed 8 by 15 of 13,500. Just to save my calculation, can anyone tell me what is the amount Anmol is getting? Because that's a part of your first question. What's the amount Anmol is getting? You can take this as X, Y, and Anmol will give me a direct value. That will be 7,000 something. Wait, 7,200. 7,200. Thank you, Ankit. 7,200 is the amount of Anmol. Thank you, Setu. So, consequently, if this is the amount which is gone, now we know that X and Y's relationship is what? X is equals to 4 by 3Y. This thing should come directly inside from you. Thank you, Riya and Anu. This should come directly. Why should come directly? Because देखो process क्या है? Process है 1 plus 1 by 3 of y. Okay, but हम ये सब को skip करके directly 4 by 3 y पे जाएंगे, क्योंकि that's how our calculation speeds will increase. Okay, so if this is the solution with us, we know that x plus y is equals to the remaining amount. Remaining amount क्या हो जाएगी? If I will subtract this, the remaining amount with these two will be 6,300, and 6,300 को मुझे y के फॉर्म में लाना है, because x is equals to 4 by 3y. So if I get that, I will get 4 by 3y plus y, which will be equals to 7 by 3y, and if this is the value, then y will come out to be as 32100, 2,700. Yes, y is 2,700. That's the amount of Anil, and the remaining amount of x will be 4/3 of that. And what would be the value of x? I got the value of x as 2, 3, 3,000, 3,060, 600. 3,600. I got 3,600. You can also subtract it and do it, or else multiply it and do it. Whatever you wish like. So we got the value of Anurag. This is the value of Anurag. The y is the value of Anil, and this is the value of Anmol. So what was the question? The question was asking you the value received by Anmol and Anil together. So 7,200 plus 2,700 is 9,900. Well done. Ready for the second question. Now second question is all dependent upon this data we did right now. Okay, this data which we have right now, it will be based on this data. So for the second question's calculation, no one should take more than 1.5 minutes. Fine. Timer starts now. Question number 2 on your screen. Same data. 1.5 minutes, a lot of time I gave, I guess. Come on, quick. It's saying the difference. Okay, so when they are saying the difference, the meaning of difference is modulus. Modulus means, you understand, bigger value minus smaller value. So even if you are doing Anurag minus Anil and you are getting a negative number, that's not a problem. That's the difference. That's the modulus. Always positive. Very good, Abhishek. Very good, Ankit and Setu. Well done, Riya. That was a quick, correct answer from all of you. That was expected. Very good. We have to subtract 3,600, which is the value of Anurag, minus the value of Anil, which was 2,700, giving us 900. Amazing. Option A. Very nice, Tejaswini. Correct answer. Now moving down to the next question, again within a time frame of 1.5 minutes. Okay, try to build that pressure. Always remember, we have been throughout, listening to motivational speeches and things like, अरे नहीं ज़्यादा pressure नहीं लेना चाहिए, ज़्यादा pressure नहीं लेना चाहिए, but a pressure to certain extent is always beneficial for you. Okay, so take it to an extent. Try to feel that pressure while you are giving the mock or practicing in the class, because that will help you to be habituated to that time pressure. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि घर में बैठ के आराम से बनाने का practice है and suddenly exam में जाकर. Okay, so here comes the third question. 1.5 minutes for you people. Get started. This is a ratio question for you all. Look forward for the values properly, add them properly, and then get the answer. Easy peasy question. Should not take a lot of time. Okay, I got an answer from Ankit. All right, Setu as well. Very good. 1 minute, 1 minute. Ria also. Okay, very nice. These people are 1 minute, 1 minuters. Very nice, Anu. That's perfect. The answer is 4 is to 1. We'll just confirm how. They are asking us to find out the ratio of the amount received by Anurag and Anmol together. So the value of Anurag and Anmol together was X and Anmol was 7,200. I remember X came out to be 3,600. So if we add these two values together, we'll be getting 10,800 upon the value of Anil. So our value of Anil was the remaining amount, which was 2,700. Now please remember that these two zeros have no role to play in your real life. Okay, it's just the table of 27. And you know one more thing. Very good, Amritesh. Very good, Tejaswini. Very good, Abhishek. 1 second. One more thing. Calculation. When you're doing some calculation, remember we don't know the table of 27. At least I don't remember the table of 27. So try to make guesses. How will you make a guess? You will make a guess using your last digit. Like, see, some number you need to multiply to 27 so that you get a 8 as the last digit of your product. So now you will check, or you will just quickly have a scan of the table of 7. 7 fours are 28. That means if you multiply 7 with a 4, you land up upon a 8 in the last digit. And that's how you can start making random guesses. Whatever guesses you are making and trying out, that would be the correct one in the first or the second attempt itself. Fine. So if I multiply with 4, I get that it is coming out as 108 only. So I understand it's 4 is to 1. Okay, you can apply this in the other DI as well as quant questions as well. Okay, whenever you are given a number like this whose table you don't know, suppose 131, then please try to check the last digit. Okay, that would help you. These are something I don't want to take a separate session on, because separately पढ़ाने से याद नहीं रहेगा. Application के साथ जब होगा ना, तब automatically इंसान को याद रह जाता है. All right, well done everyone. Ready for the next question? The fourth question again. 1.5 minutes of time for you people to solve this, because you have all the numbers ready with you. Done? Okay. Question number 4 on your screen. Percentage. You can use your approximation skills here. Okay, Ankit has given me an answer for this question. Well, nice. Then Abhishek, good. Okay. So that was within 55 seconds. Ria, good, 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 pretty nice. Anu also, very nice. Okay, Setu also. Most people have answered. So we will get started with this. All saying D. Let's see if it's D or not. The amount received by Anurag and Anil together would be how much? 3,600 plus Anil had 2,700, which when added will give me 6,300. This is what percentage of amount received by Anmol. So the amount received by Anmol is what was that? 7,200, no? The biggest one. Yes, 7,200. Okay, so you have to make comparisons between 63 and 72. Now, as I said, you can go by any method you like. If you are comfortable dividing these two numbers, like you can also even divide this by 3 and you will get a 21. And if you divide this by 3, you will get a 24. So you can also do that as well. Whatever feels good to you, easy to you, you can take that. Now when it comes to this fraction, you can check for the options. You know that 21 and 24, if you compare, they are definitely more than 80%. Why? Because 80% of, you only guess, no, 24. You are comparing out of 24. So when you're comparing out of 24, it's very clear and stable. You can just have a quick calculation. Just a minute, I have my screen glitched, I think. Just a second. Is it visible to you people? Because it's not visible to me. Anyways, I can see it now. All right. Yeah. So, what you people can further do is, you can divide it directly by 9 also, Tejaswini. That's absolutely fine. This is further divisible by 3. So, you can divide it by 7, you can divide it by 8, and it's 7 by 8. So, if you remember the fraction value of 7 by 8, this is exactly this. But if you don't remember it, that's not a problem. You people know this, that 7 by 8 will definitely be greater than 80%. No chance. This is 100%. So, of course, 7 is slightly less. 1 by 8 less. Oh, that can be one thing. 1 by 8 less is 12.5% less. Okay, so that's your answer. You can get your answers quickly like that. Okay. Fine. Thank you, Ria, for the confirmation that you people can see me. Okay. Last question from this caselets. Very good days gone. Last question from this caselet. Then we'll have a new caselet on our screen. Please go through that. This is also easy. Percentage based question. And do let me know your answers in the chat. I have started your timer. Between amount received by Anurag and Anil. What part of the total received by the three together? 1 minute completed. Okay, Abhishek with one answer. Nice. Setu with another answer. Very, very good. Still within the time frame of 1 minute 30 seconds. It's only 15 seconds left for it to complete. Ria, okay. Okay, Setu. Okay, Tejaswini, you finalize your answer according to the options then. And time's up for 1 minute 30 seconds. Anu, very good. Alright. Amritesh, good. Okay, so the amount received by Anurag and Anil. What was the amount received by Anurag X, Anil Y? So that was 3,600 by Anurag and 2,700 by Anil. When subtracted gives us 900. And we have to compare 900 with the total amount we have got. That means we have to compare this. We have to compare 9 by 135 and then find out the percentage value of it. Okay, so what you people can do over here is again the same thing. If you want to approximate your answer, you can approximate it. If you want to multiply this 900 by 135, divide then further by it, it's totally fine. It's totally up to you. What you can also do is just have a quick look. Okay, I'm just telling this. If you feel that good enough, you can apply this. See, 135, what's the value of 10% of 135? What's the value of 10% of 135? Okay, Tejaswini. What's the value of 10% of 135? Yeah, Tejaswini, you can take that method. Thank you, Setu. It's 13.5. Very good. 13.5 is surely a number very, very much higher than 9. So 10% will never be the answer. Neither will be 9 2 by 3%. Correct? Now what is 1% of this number? 1% of 135. Anyone? Come on, this is very easy. 1.35, isn't it? So that means 13.5 and 1.35. Think how many times, approximately how many times will you have to reduce this number to come closer to 9? 12, 11, 10, 9. You are reducing it approximately by 3.5 or 4. So if you are reducing 10 minus 4, you get a 6, and that's the only option you have here. This is not very easy for this question. Hi Path, good afternoon, welcome to the session. It's not for this question. You can go for decimals also. That's not a problem. I said no. Anyone who is comfortable in any method can take that. My job is to tell you the other ways possible, so that if you get a different set of numbers where decimals are not a good choice to take, you can use this method as well. Okay, go by approximation, try out these questions on your own, and then finally when you will try around 20-30 questions like this, you would be at a stage where you can easily, trust me, easily do these questions in the examination. Okay, we are here just to practice and know what are the things available. Usme se choose karna wo aapka decision hai, based on what you like. That's not a problem. ओके देन वी विल मूव टू द सेकंड केस स्टडी, बट उससे पहले जल्दी से लाइव स्ट्रीम को लाइक कर दीजिए. यू आर नॉट लाइकिंग द स्ट्रीम एंड आई एम नॉट लाइकिंग दैट. ऑलराइट, आई विल ब्रिंग आउट द सेकंड केस लेट. सो एवरीवन बी रेडी. आई विल बी गिविंग you again 4 minutes to 4.5 minutes, okay, not more than that, to solve the entire caselet, and then proceed with the coming 5 questions, because as you see, 5 questions karna is not a big deal if we have already solved the numbers. Okay, so seems like only few of you heard of what I said. That's totally your choice if you want to like or you don't want to like. Anyways, coming down to question number 6 to 10. A table for you people with lots of information now. So I don't think 4 minutes. If you people are doing it within 4 minutes, that's appreciable. No question is there. Okay, so if you are done with the table, I mean you're able to fill up this table, then please write a done in the chat. You have to fill this table up. Okay, once you are filling the entire table up, then write a done in the chat. That's a challenging set to take. Not very challenging, but yeah. Calculator. This will require your knowledge of linear equations. Okay, this will require your knowledge of linear equations. You can do that carefully. I'm making my table. If you people are done, let me know. Two and a half minutes gone. Do not confuse with the fact that 2 is to 1 is the ratio, so the number of males in the production will be double of 435. I am just saying this in the middle because I don't want you people to do a full wrong calculation and come back. Total females and total males ratio is given to you. That means this ratio is given to you. If the total number of males are 1600, you can determine how many females would be there by the information number 1. But you cannot determine the number of males in production by the information number 1. Because that's not the correct ratio we have. Okay, so please do not do a mistake in that. None of you should do that. By any ways, if you are doing this, please recheck that. 4 minutes done. Come on. If you are close to doing that, let me know in the chat. Otherwise, I'll get started with the explanation. I mean, just the formula framing part. Now, I want you people to do it yourself. Come on, give it a try, at least. And if you're not able to do that, do let me know in the chat as well so that I can proceed accordingly. If you are giving it up, then also let me know. And if you're still trying, let me know so that I'll wait accordingly. Otherwise, I'll start. Proceed accordingly means what? Like you want me to start? Okay, Ria. Setu, Anu, Parth, Tejaswini, Amritesh, do let me know if you people are able to do it or not. Abhishek, Shayan. You have to go by ratios. They are saying that the ratio of the number of employees in marketing and the operations department is 3 is to 1. Okay, Setu, no problem. That's totally fine. No need to worry about that, okay? The ratio of marketing and operations is 3 is to 1, and the ratio of production and accounts department is 7 is to 1. So, with this information, can I say that marketing and operation are in the ratio of 3x is to x? Yes. And can I say production and accounts department is in the ratio of 7y is to y? Why y? Because of course the ratio would be different, right? The ratio would be different. Now first tell me, if the total number of males is 1600, if the total number of males is 1600, what would be the number of females I have? No problem, Amritesh. It's fine. Yeah, no, thank you. What is the number of females I'll have? The ratio is 2 is to 1. Anyone in the chat, help me solve it part by part. You will be doing the calculation. I'll just guide you. 800. Thank you, Setu. So if 1600 people are male, total. 800 people are female, total. So total number of people in the entire company XYZ is 1600 plus 800. What's the calculation? The calculation would be equals to 2400 people. 2400 people. Correct? You all do the calculation. I'm just telling you. Now, the major part of the question which I'll be taking forward. Wait a second. I'll just take this up. Copy it. And paste it back here. Okay, I have a table here exactly with me, so I don't want it, but still, yeah, I don't want it. So over here, it's 800, not visible, not visible. Let me take a darker color. Yeah, this is 800 over here. This we know. The total will come out to be as 2400. I think I should better go with my table only. That was a better thing to do. Alright. So here's my table. Here's all the numbers I have got. 2400. Thank you, Abhishek and Setu, for the calculation. Now just have some bits and parts of what I'm talking about the algebra here. So 3x plus 7y plus y is equals to 2400. Why did I write this? Why did I write this? Because the total number of people are 2400. That's adding up all the four departments. Now this is 4x, this is 8y, and this is 2400. Can you simplify this equation for me? All the terms over here are divisible by 4. So what will I get if I divide all of them by 4? X plus 2y is equals to 600. Please tell me yes or no. X plus 2y is equals to 600. That's my equation number 1. The way we solve simultaneous equations. Good one? Understood this one? Okay. The next step to take here is the information given in this line. Fourth line. The number of males in the marketing department is 80% more than the number of employees in the account. Can I use that? 80% more? No. Let me try number 5 first. Thank you, Riya Setu. The number of males in the account department is 1/3 of the number of females in the marketing department. No, this is also not useful now. This can be useful. Check this one. The difference between the number of employees in marketing and production is 865. What is the marketing ratio we took? 3x. What is the production ratio I took? 7y. So can I make, and it is difference, okay, difference. So can I say the modulus of 3x minus 7y is equals to 865? Yes or no? What is the meaning of modulus here? Anyone? Modulus means difference. That means you can take it as 3x minus 7y, or you can take it as 7y minus 3x is equals to 865. Okay, now you have to solve the equation. Can you people help me in solving x, value of x and value of y here? Let me try and do it. Okay, there are two possibilities. Now see, listen, I will be trying. Negative value को भी positive बनाता है. Yes. So I will be trying to show you both the calculations, but ये हर बार नहीं करूँगी. I am just doing this for this time. I'll be deleting my calculations also. So make sure you just understand it. Okay. There are two possibilities here. मैं पहली possibility try करती हूँ. अगर इसमें लग गया तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. First possibility is 3x minus 7y equals to 865. Now to solve this equation, exactly Tejaswini, we don't know the answer. Positive आएगा या negative आएगा, तो जब negative आएगा हम उसे avoid करेंगे. Let's see this. If I multiply this with 3, this becomes 6x and this becomes 1800. Okay. Now what I can do is I can subtract the values over here and get an answer. 3x will get cancelled out. I'll get 13y and I'll be getting how much over here? 1800 minus 800 is equals to 1000. 1000 minus 65. Come on, quick in the chat. 1000 minus 65. 965 का कॉम्प्लीमेंट क्या होगा यहाँ पर 100 के लिए? Go quick in the chat. See, calculation पे मैं करूँगी तो फिर class क्यों कर रहे हो आप लोग? I am just telling you what we have to do. Calculations you people will be doing. Thank you, Setu, but that's not the answer of the equation I am solving. First, tell me quickly what will be the answer here. 1000 minus 65 is my question. 900 how much? 135. Why? Tejaswini. Where are you people? What's taking you so much time to do 1000 minus 65? I can't understand that. Thank you so much. 935 is the answer. Now tell me, 935 is divisible by 13? Yes or no? 935 is divisible by 13? Yes or no? No, it's not divisible. Okay, since it's not divisible, I can't have a fraction of number in a particular company. That means I can't take this value not working. Okay, I will go with the other value 3x plus 6y is equals to 1800, and over here I'll take the ulta pulta thing. Ulta pulta thing means what? They make it as minus 3x plus 7y is equals to minus of 865. Now this can give me a consequent answer. That's fine, तेजस्विनी. That's not the point कि आप पहले ही बोल दोगे. आप क्या सबके साथ बैठ के एग्जाम दोगे? नहीं, right? So we are having a class with everyone. So I have to show you both the possibilities. If you want me to just go by the way that x is equals to 190 as Setu has written and y is equals to 205, then that's all. Calculate it yourself. आपको मेरी ज़रूरत क्या है? Fine. So x is equals to 190 and y is equals to 205. This is what you will get when you will solve the second equation I have made. Okay. So I am deleting the calculations from here, taking by the value of x and y. Okay. I hope everyone has got this one and no one needs any help over here. Fine. X will come as 190 and y will come out as 205. Till here everyone clear? Please write it in a chat box. I'll delete it then. Thank you, Ria. All right. Okay. So now we know the value of x, we know the value of y. How will that help us? Of course, that will help us a lot because x will give us, okay, from x we can find out the number of people, okay, in different domains. Understood, Amritesh? Thank you. So x was 190 and where did we take 190? Now just go back and check this one. The ratio of operations department and marketing department was given to you, right? So ऑपरेशन डिपार्टमेंट का टोटल x है, that is total 190 है. Okay, and what was y in the question above was the total of accounts department. So total of accounts department will be 205 right here just in front of you. I got these two numbers. इसके साथ मुझे marketing का total भी मिल जाएगा. Marketing का total will be 3 times of x, that will be equals to 570. So I got that. I'm filling this slowly. I hope you people are getting why am I getting this. This is 3x. This is x. This is y. So 7y will be 205 into 7, which is 1435. 1435. 7y. Okay. I got all of this. Thank you, Anu. Everyone got all of this till here? No questions, no doubts? Okay, now we will be using the rest of the information in the question to fill the other table. Okay, so have a look over here. The next information here is number of males in the marketing department is 80% more than the number of employees in the accounts. Do I have the total number of employees in the accounts? Yes, we have. That is 205. So I'll be taking out 80% of 205. What will be the value of 80% of 205? Multiply it with 0.8. Come on, quick. Tell me the answer. You have to just do 205 multiplied with 0.8. That's very good. Thank you, Tejaswini. Setu, are you sure? 205 into 0.8 is 164. But we are saying 80% more. So you will have to add 164 to 205. Otherwise, you could have solved it with this also. 1.8 also. That would have given you the direct answer. Yes, this is 164 and when you add 164 to 205, you get 369, which you will be getting when you will multiply it directly with 1.8 also, because the question is saying 80% more, right? So 80% more means 1.8. Good everyone. That's right. 369. So what is the number 369? It's the number of males over here. Now when you know the number of males, you know the number of total. So can you find out the females? Subtract it. 570 minus 1, 1, 200. 201. Number of females 201. Are you getting that right with me? Number of females in marketing 201. Yes or no? Then the other information with us is the number of males in the account department is 1/3 of the number of females in the marketing. We just now find out the female in the marketing is 201. 1/3 of this means divided by 3. And if I divide it by 3, I land up upon which number? 67. I land up upon a 67. So what is the number 67 here? 67 is the number of males over here. Minus कर सकते हैं 205 minus 67. Let me see whose speed maths works here. 205 minus 67. Quick. 205 minus 67. 130. I have written the answer before you people gave me the answer. Okay, I got an answer from Tejaswini. 138. Very good. Now, after 138, what more information can I find out? See, I can find out the production males. Okay, production males will be 1000. Wow, I don't need your help in this. That's easy. Okay, now operations. How are you filling the value of operations? Do we have any information about operations here? Please check. Operations, not really. 7:1. Accounts department, marketing, operations department, total I have. Okay, chat is delayed. No problem, Setu. That happens. Correct. Amritesh, thank you. Tejaswini, how did you get a 26? That's right. But tell me, where did you get this one? By the total. Look at the total here. Okay, good Tejaswini, that's right. Others, you can check the total. You have 201, you have 435, you have 138. Add up all of them and subtract it from 800, you get a 26. And when you further subtract 26 from 190, you get 164. And now my table is full. Very good Tejaswini, that's right. Check people if your table is full right now. Are you ready for questions? Yes. Are you all ready for the questions? I'll take this part out. Ready? So here comes the first question for you people from this caselet. I don't think I will be able to complete the third caselet, but third caselet will be a homework then for you people. Homework sounds very childish, no? But in school we used to have homework only. Then came college when we started getting assignments. I'll not call it an assignment. I'll call it homework only. Pretty childish. What percentage of the number of employees in the accounts department is the males in the operations department? This is the table for your help. Can solve this and tell me the answer. Bilkul Riya. Don't feel bad. These questions are nice. It's all about acquaintance with the question. पता है? It's all about acquaintance with the question. एक बार अगर आपको पता चल गया कि ओह इस तरह से मॉड्यूलस में भी सॉल्व होता है मैम इक्वेशन, तब कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी. बट इमेजिन अगर आपको पता ही ना हो. ओके तेजस्विनी, आई गॉट योर आंसर. इमेजिन इफ यू डोंट नो अबाउट इट एट ऑल कि ऐसा हो भी सकता है, देन कम्स द रियल प्रॉब्लम. सबसे पहले जब आपको नॉन डिवाइडिंग नंबर मिलेगा तो आप वहीं डर जाओगे. यू विल बी लाइक ये सॉल्व नहीं हो रहा या फिर मैंने ही कहीं पहले से गलती कर दी है. सो डोंट लेट दैट हैपन एंड दैट्स व्हाई प्रैक्टिस अ लिटिल मोर. ओके, आई हैव गॉट वन आंसर. Okay, Setu changing his answer. What percentage of the number of employees in the accounts department is the males in the operation department? Which is my reference here? Accounts department total is my reference here. Accounts department total is my reference here. Okay, Setu. Okay, Riya. That means whatever I get, I have to divide it by 205. Now they are asking males in the operation department 164. And if you multiply it, you will get the value as 80%. That's easy. That's pretty simple. Very good, Anu and Amritesh. It's just about the language in this question. So इस question से हमारा take away क्या है? इस question से हमारा take away है how to determine the denominator. If you are able to figure out that, the question is easy to solve. Okay? Fine, then let's move to the 7th question, everyone. What's the number of males in the production department? Direct question, no calculation. Direct question, no calculation. Production department, males. Come on, quick answers. Fastest finger first for this one. Fastest finger first for this question. Tejaswini first. Okay, Setu second. Priya third. Well, first, second, third done. Others can also answer. People are very shy. People using the chat are less than the people actually attending it right now. That's fine. Amritesh, A is the correct answer. 1000, no doubts. Very, very good. Very good afternoon, Jaideep. But you are a little late today. That's the 8th question, everyone. Try it out. Jaideep, for you, I am keeping the table which we made right in front of the screen. Try to answer this question by the table given in front of you. Making this table was the only difficult task. Try. Let's calculate. This is not a calculation. This is simplification. Question number 3 is simplification. Simplify the fractions and you get the answer. Again, 1 minute for you. Not more than that. You don't deserve to solve this question in more than a minute. You should not do that, I mean. This question does not deserve more than a minute. Okay, Anu, first correct answer. Correct or wrong, Anu? I shouldn't have told that, no? Alright. Setu, second correct answer. Let's see what others are doing. Riya, third correct answer. Very, very good. Tejaswini, fourth correct answer. It's all about dividing. 570, okay. 570 is the number of total number of marketing people, and the number of females in the production would be 435. So if I divide them by 5 and then further, I'll be seeing that the fraction would reduce down to 38 upon 29. That is option A. Easy? Yes. Question number 9 on your screen. In how many given departments the number of males is less than the number of females? This is a direct question. I will not show you the table. If you have the table with you, use that table. Okay, I have got an answer from Anu. This was the answer for the 4th question you are giving. Tejaswini 1, Setu 2. Anu, you are saying 0. That means? Okay. So 3 different answers, 0, 1, 2. Okay, Tejaswini. Here's the table. Now quick. Riya, what is taking so much of time? Amritesh, why? Why? Riya B. Alright. Look at the table now, everyone. Carefully observe the table. Here the number of males are more. So they are saying where the males are less. So males are more, males are more, males are more, males are less. So the only place where the males are less is the accounts one. So accounts only one department, option 1. Maximum 4 minutes to 5 minutes, Jaideep, to only solve the table. Like this table should be made in 4 to 5 minutes. Maximum 5.5. If it's a very complex one, then you can just go to touch 6, but not more than that. This one is not complex, to be honest. Okay. So the answer is option B, 1. Okay. Setu, understood your mistake here. Anu, got it? I wrote 1000 as 1. Oh. सेतु चश्मे तो पहनते हो, डीपी तो देखी है मैंने आपकी. Okay, the last question from this distribution. In which of the following departments is the percentage of males the highest? So you have to compare the percentage of males. For this, you might need a table, the table here. So here's the table for you people. Use the table, find out the percentage, and please use approximation. Exact percentages koi nahi nikalega. This is a strict thing for you people. No one will calculate the real percentage. You have to just approximate your answer and find out which one is greater than 80%. Look at the numbers. Numbers देखकर समझ में आएगा ये question. Ma'am, in CAT exam, it will take more time to solve. The level of difficulty is high in CAT. Yeah, of course it is. So that's why I'm saying not more than 6 minutes at any cost. If you are feeling that you are taking 6 minutes to just solve one set over here, प्लीज स्टार्ट वर्किंग हार्ड. मैं जानबूझकर इतना टफ टाइम बोल रही हूँ जय, बिकॉज इफ आई विल से दैट ओके ओके 10 मिनट्स तक ले सकते हो, इंसान थोड़ा लूज हो जाता है. तो स्टार्ट गिविंग स्ट्रिक्ट डेडलाइंस टू योर सेल्फ. इट्स ओके. ओके, एटलीस्ट प्रिपरेशन शुरू करते हो तो इजी क्वेश्चन से शुरू करते हो ना, तो यू विल फील बेटर अबाउट दैट. डोंट वरी, दैट्स फॉर योर मोटिवेशन लेवल. Tejaswini B, Setu B, Riya B, and Amritesh B. Well, that's a good observation. Which numbers are we comparing over here? Just let me show you. We are comparing 369 over 570 in case number 1. In case number 2, I am comparing 164 upon 190. In option number C, production, I am comparing what? Both the computer classes are ja. Then you need power glasses. 1000 divided by 1435, and the next one, the last one, is 67 upon 205. Look at these fractions and determine your answer accordingly. Of course, 164 is the closest to 190 compared to any other number here, so that will be a sure shot more than 80%. Okay, 86% निकाल लिया था. Very good. Anu, very good. So the answer for this question is option B. वैसे मैं एक और केसलेट लाई तो थी, but what I'll be doing is I'll be giving you people a PDF in the Telegram. You can have a look. Okay, last के कुछ minutes बचे हैं. This was a TETA based question basically. You can take a screenshot, and don't worry, if you're already there in my Telegram channel, then you can surely go and get it from there. Just after the class, I'll be posting the PDF for you people. Okay, the PDF which will have all the questions 1 to 15. So 11 to 15 remains your homework. Okay, do it yourself, get the answers, and let me know in the chat what was your answer. We will discuss that in the session 2 of Caselets. Okay, 10 out of 10. Very good, Riya. टेबल खुद से बनाया था ना सेकंड वाला. All right, so this set has 3 TETA questions and 2 questions. So tomorrow and day after tomorrow, Saturday and Sunday, we are not having any sessions. We'll directly meet on Monday now at 1:30. Okay, so let us meet on Monday, and let's see if we can continue with this only on the Monday. नहीं, आपने बनाया था. अच्छा, तो उससे अपने आप को 10 दे दिया. All right, कैलकुलेशन पार्ट में 10 दे दिया. चलो ठीक है. मैम अरुण शर्मा की बुक इनफ है DILR के लिए. शुरू तो करो, खत्म तो करो. आई मीन फिनिश दैट बुक फर्स्ट, एंड इफ यू फील दैट यू आर एट अ गुड स्टैंड आफ्टर फिनिशिंग द बुक, जहाँ पे आपको कोई डाउट्स एंड ऑल कुछ नहीं बचा है, देन यू कैन गेट डाउन टू द प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर्स और फिर खुद ही कंपेयर कर लेना. देखो, मेरी पर्सनल प्रिपरेशन स्ट्रैटेजी पूछोगे तो मैंने तो बस उसी बुक से प्रिपेयर किया था, और मैं मॉक टेस्ट वगैरह में जो क्वेश्चंस आते थे, मैं उन क्वेश्चंस को प्रैक्टिस करती थी. तो कह नहीं सकते कि वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ इनफ है. Of course, you can spread your arms and try to get questions from wherever you get. Okay, but try it out. All right, the last question for the day, and the time is up. So, how was the session? This was a session on data interpretation caselets, where you were actually supposed to figure out all of this by yourself. पहला सेट तो सबने बहुत प्यार से बना लिया, but second set में थोड़ी problem आई, right? थोड़ा ज़्यादा time लगा. So that means you have to start practicing on it a little bit more. And don't worry, you can just Google it out or get it from any book. जो मैं आपको table of contents दे रही हूँ, वो सब कहीं ना कहीं से तो है ना. तो उस table of contents में data caselets थे. You will get that in any book you are following for DILR. Okay. Thank you so much. So I will be meeting you people. You can find me on LinkedIn, I guess, Tejaswini. इतने पूछताछ करने से अच्छा है that you can get me on LinkedIn. You can get my entire profile. कितने marks आए, क्या हुआ, कहाँ रहती हूँ, क्या करती हूँ, सब पता चल जाएगा. ठीक है? We can discuss that later. So thank you so much for your lovely comments. I think mistype हो गया होगा सेतु. Leave that. Yes, exactly, Anu. Fine then. So we will be meeting on Monday 1:30 p.m. now. Okay. Take care of yourself. Keep practicing. And if you are not there in the Telegram channel, then you can surely join our Telegram group, because some very honhar students of our Telegram group conduct daily quizzes, which will be beneficial for all of you. अगर आप में guts है कि आप एक quiz को attempt कर सकते हो, like trust me, 89% और मे बी आई कैन टेक इट टू 90% लोग ऐसे हैं जिनके पास इतनी गट्स ही नहीं है कि वो बिना या हाफ वे प्रिपरेशन में कोई क्विज या कोई भी मॉक दे दे. तो आप लोग ऑलरेडी उन लोगों से ऊपर हो. ओके, द वंस हु आर अटेंडिंग द थिंग्स. ओके, सो आया था चला भी गया. ओके, सो go for it and keep attending the quizzes. It will always benefit you. Thank you so much. Take care everyone. Bye bye.